In this world, people don't always show who they truly are. Behind every smile hides a truth. Behind every silence hides a secret. Today, you are going to discover the darkest sides of human psychology, the things people never want you to know. And once you know them, you will never look at people the same way again. People lie far more than you think. Not once, not twice, but many times a day. Most lies are small, but some are designed to control you without you ever noticing. Silence is one of the most powerful weapons in dark psychology. When someone suddenly stops talking, they're not confused. They're observing, studying your reactions, trying to see what breaks you. The truth is, most people don't really care. They care only when they need something from you, and they pretend to care just enough to keep you close. Compliments are not always compliments. A smart manipulator uses kind words as tools, not to make you feel good, but to make you drop your guard while they slowly take control. Emotional distance is another tactic. When someone pulls away, it's not always because they're busy. Sometimes it's because they know that your mind will start chasing them. In dark psychology, the more you explain yourself, the weaker you appear. Confident people say less and still win. People are constantly testing you, your patience, your reactions, your boundaries. Everything you do is being silently measured. The one who controls emotions controls the relationship. Manipulators don't need power. They simply need to control what you feel. Ignoring someone can break them faster than shouting. Silence creates fear, insecurity, and doubt, and people use it to gain control. Humans can read your body language when you say nothing. Your fear, your guilt, your attraction, all of it is visible without words. Not every nice person is good. Not every rude person is bad. People wear masks, and some masks look dangerously perfect. Most people desire power more than love. In friendships, relationships, even families, the strongest desire is to feel in control. The smarter the liar, the calmer the face. Those who deceive best don't blink, don't shake, they smile. Some people use guilt as a tool. They make you feel like everything is your fault just so they can control your decisions. There are people who enjoy seeing you confused. Your uncertainty is their entertainment. Your weakness, their victory. A lie told with confidence can sound more believable than the truth told with fear. And that's why many people get manipulated without realizing it. Everyone wants attention, but very few want to give it. This imbalance creates emotional traps. The most dangerous person is not the one who screams, but the one who stays silent while burning inside. Silent anger is the sharpest weapon. Distance always reveals real loyalty. The people who stay when you're not useful to them are the ones who truly cared. People don't change easily. They just learn to hide better. Their habits remain the same, but their masks improve. Attention is the biggest addiction of the modern world. People crave being noticed more than being loved. The more mysterious you are, the more power you naturally hold. Clarity makes others comfortable. Mystery makes them want you. People often mirror you, your words, your energy, your behavior. Not because they like you, but because mirroring creates false trust. What people say in anger is usually the truth. Anger removes filters and reveals the reality of their heart. Each of us has a dark side. Not everyone uses it, but some people live in it. And once you understand this, you begin to protect yourself differently. Now that you know the dark truths about human psychology, use this knowledge wisely, not to manipulate, but to protect yourself. Because the world is not as simple as it seems, and the most dangerous people are often the ones who look harmless. If this opened your eyes, stay connected. More psychological truths are coming soon.